Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Thembi Nkosi Lodge bafowethu, what a player, udlala kahle kakhulu lapha eTunisia. Kunama-questions-ke amakhulu okumele abantu bawa-answer, but-ke asazi ukuthi ama-reasons ukuthi angadlaleli Bafana Bafana imaphi. Izolo udlale igame enkulu laphana bawina 3-1, u-assistile i-opening goal, wakora i-second goal, wadominate nje overall laphana egamini melibamba ibhola. He's one of the most important players. In fact, South Africa nga-contribute kakhulu, even nakuba Bafana nga-contribute kakhulu Thembi Nkosi Lodge, but-ke akaselekthwa laphana kuBafana Bafana. What could be the reason? Because he's one of the best players eSouth Africa, or South African players. Ubuya naku-FIFA Club World Cup la adlale kahle kakhulu, but akacabanga nokucabanga laphana esikwatini. Yenzeka kanjani into kanje? Phela ama-politics, there's no way bafethu. Lo muntu lo uthola ama-man of the match le elona man, is it Tunisia? Yes, eTunisia. But guess what? Laphana ku-Wydad Casablanca, but guess what? Akabizwa nokubizwa, abambheki nokumbheka umfowethu laphana. This is sad ngempela. So, I mean, uThembi Nkosi Lodge bafethu deliver ama-masterclass performances laphana, uya-assist, usiza i-team kakhulu. But-ke uHugo Broos, they overlook him kuwo wonke ama-department. I mean, technique yakhe, i-timing, awareness yakhe, i-flair yakhe, i-skill, it's not easy ukuthi bathathe ibhola kuye. I-work rate yakhe futhi increasile since edlala laphana uLodge bafethu edlala laphana eNorth Africa. And esikhumbule ukuthi unayo experience yokudlala kuma-CAF, uke wanokha out i-Egypt coming from the bench, so i-player elinga-contribute kakhulu laphana kuBafana Bafana, but still umfowethu abamlokhu njani, abamrecognize, abamselect abamcabangi nokumcabanga even kuma-prelim squad. Why? Because une-vision manje, une-composure, uyakwazi uku-assista, uyakwazi ukuzishayela amagoli wakhe, i-work rate yakhe even off the ball laphana uyakwazi ukusiza i-team, uyakwazi ukupressa kuma-recovery. Ama-defenders makunoThembi Nkosi Lodge awa-relax. I mean, angazi ama-moments of brilliance wakhe this season sengibona awungathi noma ngingawabukeli ama-match wakhe wonke, but ama-clips laphana online, is one of the most celebrated players laphana eTunisia nge-skill sakhe ne-flair yakhe overall. I mean, siyamazi uLodge bafethu laphana ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi wayeplayer important kangakanani, awina ama-player of the season, turning izinto ngempela, especially kuma-big games. Siyazi ukuthi ama-injuries in recent years yomslow down, naye one-personal skill ukuthi unokuba ney'nkinga ukuthi ufuna ukudivide i-change room, but-ke leli player li-important kakhulu eSouth Africa elinga-contribute kakhulu kuBafana Bafana, but akabhekwa nokubhekwa. I mean, I think after ama-performances wakhe walaphana ku-World Cup, abantu easily maybe bacabanga ukuthi khona i-national team ayidlalelayo against South Africa, abambheki nokumbheka. Lo muntu lo maybe attitude problem, or asazi ukuthi wamkhelele njengoba belaphana kuBafana Bafana setup bona bathini ngoThembi Nkosi Lodge. There's no way i-player performer at this level linga-select, especially for continental games, umuntu one-experience kangaka ebholeni lase-Africa overall. I mean, ku-Orlando Pirates udlalile ku-Champions League, Mamelodi Sundowns udlalile ku-Champions League, manje sedlala lena eNorth Africa, ubuye udlale nakuma-World Cup, but still akabhekwa nokubheka. I mean, i-current form yakhe kumele ngabe easy, maku-select abantu kuBafana Bafana nawe ukhona, but lutho. I mean, compared to ama-performances wakhe nje in recent months, yiwo bekumele babizwe laphana kuBafana Bafana. Why uHugo Broos am-overlooka ngempela? Is it maybe i-technically indlela adlala ngayo akalifuni iplay elifana noLodge, or maybe ama-past issues ukuthi uThembi Nkosi Lodge uney'nkinga ze-discipline, lento what happened laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, siyazi ukuthi kwenzekani uma komethi umjida u-3. Maybe lezo zinto lezo-ke asihlangene nebhola, because if ihlangene nebhola, uThembi Nkosi Lodge could have easily ngabe ulaphana kulo straight kuBafana Bafana. There is no way a player of this caliber lingekho kuBafana Bafana bafethu. But yeah, it's a game of football. It's highly debatable, i-policy overall. I mean, ngiyazi maybe efihla from izinto bangathi kuBafana Bafana they're building a team for the future, but akhona amanye ama-players abake bawa-select madala. uThembi Nkosi Lodge is still 32. I mean, uThemba Zwane babamselect na 35. So I mean, yiwo lawo ma-situation lawo angasibonisa ukuthi akhona ama-players like anikwa ama-chance ukuthi abe khona ku-national team, noma uthole ukuthi they've passed their prime in terms of iminyaka, not their prime in terms of i-performance. So naye I mean siyathuka thina siyama-fans ukuthi why angaselekthwa, because you have to give ama-reasons ukuthi okay, he's not selected because of 1, 2, 3. At least-ke kukhulunywe ngaye or abe khona kuma-prelim squad, but guess what, akekho at all Thembi Nkosi-Lorch. But yeah, I mean it's a game of football. I-coach namaplani wayo, ama-coaches overall laphana ku-national team setup. But-ke I don't see a reason that is big enough ukuthi why bangamselect umfowethu laphana. Unless-ke maybe bathi uzodisturba ithimu, uwumuntu ongaphathi kahle, or kunesandla sesithathu, kunabanye abantu abangenelelayo ukuthi okay, iplay elikanje nelikanje ningalicabangi nokulicabanga, or i-national team coach influence. But akusiwo umuntu esingambheka ukuthi u-influence uHugo Broos, but-ke obviously ama-assistant coaches wakhe nabantu aba-around yena bangam-influencer, bamnike something ukuthi okay, iplay elinje nenje masingaliselekta lizosinika inkinga. Because nangu uSipho Mbuli naye udiscipline ubuya ubuye emajukujukwini ngempela in terms of kuphatha kwakhe, but ukhona kuBafana Bafana. Hugo Broos uyamtshela ukuthi le second chance yakhe kumele ngempela ayithole. Imagine Sipho Mbuli from situation abuya kuyo, but-ke manje seselektiwa nakuBafana Bafana, namanje siyambona bamselekthile kulama matches lawa azodlalwa wokugcina against iZimbabwe neRwanda. Kwawina lawo ma-matches lawo, iBenin yadropha ama-points, iBafana Bafana izokwazi ukuqualifya overall. Cause yeah, I think ama-personal issues bafowethu, I think ama-personal issues, maybe ama-past issues, ama-discipline off the field, iy'nkinga zakhe. Maybe uku-good form, I mean akekho umuntu ongaboni ukuthi uku-good form, but-ke maybe abambheki because of bayabona ukuthi hayi i-team yethu izoba divided masingaletha lo, mhlampe lezo zinto lezo. I think at the same time nathi singafunda empilweni ukuthi sometimes ugudi as kulento lo yenzayo, but-ke uphazanyiswa iy'nkinga zakho ukuthi wena as a person ukuthi umuntu o-right na, uyakwazi ukuba i-team player, uyakwazi ukumotivate abanye abantu around wena, or makukhona wena uyakwazi umsebenzi wakho, ushaya even more than abantu abaningi, but-ke abantu abakuselect no abakukhethi ngoba uyinkinga on a human level as umuntu overall. I mean, yeah, I mean because I mean how can iBafana Bafana ignore iplay likanje eliku-form kanje? I think it's very important ukuthi kube ne-open dialogue, especially from ama-coach, ukuthi baphendule ukuthi why bangamselect ubani bani, why bamselect ubani bani. Ugudi ku-club level Thembi Nkosi-Lorch, even naku-international football I think angaba good. Yeah, even if akusiwo umuntu bekazoqala ama-game kuBafana Bafana amanye, but kuyadeserve ukuba lapha, and futhi une-experience ngempela ku-continental level njengoba bengishilo bafethu. So I mean enye into esingayibuza ukuthi kuselekthwa ama-player based on i-form yabo nanokuthi bayadeserve ukuba se-squad-ini, or kuselekthwa ama-player based on uthando nokuthi bayafavour compared to amanye ama-player na? Yiwo ama-question lawo esingawabuza. iBafana Bafana ivule iminyango yayo for amanye ama-player, but amanye ama-player ivalekile iminyango ukuthi osibanibani abakhethwa because of lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. But yeah, ukuphatha kwa-Lorch I think kubaluleke kakhulu bafethu, because iplay elilodwa lingayicrasha yonke i-team malingaphathi kahle. uLorch siyazi ukuthi uletha i-creativity ne-flair kuma-tight games, uyakwazi ngempela uku-create-a i-magic, umlingo wakhe ukuthi enze izinto zenzeke laphana inside the field of play. Njengoba bengishilo ukuthi ku-continental level in terms of i-careful naye experience, uwazi kahle ama-conditions, and uyakwazi ukuperforma even kuma-big games noma kuthiwa i-team yonke i-under pressure. Bekangakwazi ngempela uku-add-a laphana i-experience yakhe overall ukuthi akwazi ukuyisiza i-team. Unfortunately-ke is not given the opportunity ukuthi akwazi ukuyisiza i-team overall. But yeah, it's part of football bafethu, inamapolitiki wayo maningi, amapolitiki wasebholeni. It's not even about ukulikhahlela nje kuphela, but ipolitiki lasebholeni lingakukhwithisa uyeke ungaphindi ulicabange nokulicabanga ibhola just because of ama-politics. You are good enough to play at the highest level, but-ke awuselekthwa at all, abakubheki nokukubheka noma ungenza kahle kanjani but-ke wena thola ukuthi nje awubhekwa at all. Ziyenzeka izinto ezikanje. I mean akusiwulotshi iplaya lokuqala emhlabeni ukuthi liphefome kahle kanje but-ke lingabhekwa nokubhekwa. I mean maningi ama-player ake athola ku-situation kaThembi Nkosi-Lotche. I'm sure naye akasayicabangi nokuyicabanga i-national team because uyazi ukuthi ngeke im-select-e noma ayimenze lutho at the moment. But yeah, I don't see him coming back to iBafana Bafana, honestly. Imagine udlala to the highest level or at this level but still abamboni nokumbona. Sithembe ukuthi ngeke like imdismotivate i-situation le yakhe athola kuyo laphana yena neBafana Bafana. Aqhubeke nje adlale njalo to the highest level, akwazi ukudeliver for i-team yakhe naye akwazi ukudilivela cause une-contract enkulu enhle kakhulu laphana bafethu ku-Wydad Casablanca. I-team le beyimfuna ngempela, i-club president yasho ukuthi hhayi mina ngizo-negotiate direct neMamelodi Sundowns because le player leli ngiyalifuna, ngiyazi ukuthi linga-add-a i-impact e-serious ethimini, so there's no way ngi-give up ngiliyeke. And then-ke is repaying them nicely bafethu, uyaba-repayer kahle, uyababonisa ukuthi they were right ngokuthi bamlandelele banga-give up even when i-situation beyingabafevi laphana. Kubonakala iMamelodi Sundowns ithi ifuna imali eningi, bekubonakala ngathi at some point ngeke bamthole uThembi Nkosi-Lotche but nakhu bakwazile ukumthola and then naye uba-repayer kahle kakhulu ngama-performances wakhe a-good. So simfisela inhlanhla nje overall laphana e-North Africa. Siyazi ukuthi akukho lula ukudlala e-North Africa but so far so good for Thembi Nkosi-Lotche. Udlala kahle kakhulu, uproducer ama-results week in and week out. Was one of the stand-up players for i-team yakhe laphana. Aqhubeke njalo adelive umfowethu, asize i-team yakhe. I-team yakhe iyamdinga more than what is happening laphana kulokhunjana ku-national team. So akusiyo izinto lezi angazibheka mhlampe zingagcine zimdiscourage ukuthi hey akaselekthwa, but aqhubeke nje njalo enze umsebenzi wakhe omuhle. Abantu bambhekile, he will be remembered by obviously umsebenzi wakhe laphana inside the field of play, not amapolitiki thina lawo esimfaka kuwo. But yeah, le moment le yasho ukuthi uphatha kubaluleke kakhulu bafethu, uphatha kahle nanokuthi nje uhloniphe wonke umuntu around wena. At some point we felt like uThembi Nkosi-Lotche ucabanga ukuthi is the biggest thing in South African football and untouchable overall. Maybe i-situation emthatha imbeke la ukuthi Bafana ingamselect. But yeah, congratulations to him ne-success yakhe laphana in North Africa. Thank you bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.